Hello pioneers. In this video I will show you which one is the best marketplace for Solana and how you guys will use it. Apart from that, if you have any question, let me know in the comments. Also, we are going to launch our own collection on Solana, so check it out. Links are in the descriptions about Twitter, Discord, and website. It will be coming out in a couple of weeks. So that being said, let's okay about there are like few marketplaces for Solana. Solsea is one of it. So the main features are like you can publicly list it or privately list it, and you can just launch your own collection. Uh, you can list it in different currencies. Also, if FTX is pay is enabled for non-crypto users, so anyone can buy it. The main feature is also 3D viewers. 3D view of NFT is allowed there, and you can just make 3D NFTs as well. So that's a huge plus. Apart from that, there are other marketplaces like Solanart, Digitaleyes, alpaart. So we will check it out one by one. So let's jump into it. So over here I'm in Solsea. Over here you can see 3D art, paintings, and photography and stuff like that. So you can check out and explore different collections. And this is listed over here. Apart from that, let's go and connect our own wallet. I will add my Phantom Connect. Okay. So it's need me to log in. I don't know. Let's jump. Let's go back. I don't want to spend too much time over here. So over here, different NFTs. You can explore different collections, and you can just see which one is very popular, and you can just buy one. So it will be a huge plus. You can just sort it by likes, views, or volume. You can see, like, you can just sort it by volume, so it will show you how much is listed and how much it's already sold out. So there are different tags. You can search it by tags. There are like less than 5 NFTs and stuff like that, so you can search it through that as well. Okay, after that you can create your own NFTs, your own collection. Here is a huge plus, new upcoming NFTs. If you want to buy something new, you can check it out over here, and you can just go there and buy something. Over here you can also check out like if that collection is verified or not. So the verified collection will be having a more successful, like, you can expect more success from it, and chances will be huge that you flip your NFT and earn more from it. So if you have any question, you can check it out over here and frequently ask questions. Also there is like privacy policy and stuff like that, so you guys can check it out. Apart from that, there is login registration, and you can do it because if you want to launch your own collection and stuff like that, then you will need it. Let's jump into Solanart. Solanart is another marketplace for Solana. So over here we have a huge number of wallet you can connect, but we have Phantom, so let's go and connect it. Okay, it's all good, over here there's Twitter, Discord. You can just join. Over here you can check the stats, daily sales. It's not quite huge, but this secondary market sales, so it is like good. Total number of sales till now it's around 5 lakhs, so which also makes some sense because NFT is quite new. So daily sol volume, so around 10,000, like 9,000 Solana is being used for buying and selling. So it's a huge number. Until that, it's by around 4 million. Sorry. So it's also a huge number. So you guys can check out different collections and different coming soons on Solana. Also, this one is quite good addition. You guys can check out which one is doing good, and you guys can go and invest in that NFT collection or individual NFTs. If you need any help, you can ask questions. You can connect your wallet, or you can check out your wallet which NFT you have. Okay, so on sales, okay, if you here will be unlisted, or here there will be on sale, and there will be for bids. Okay, that's it for Solana art. Let's jump into digital eyes. Solana. Okay, so let's connect the wallet. It's support a lot of like so long. It's a beautiful name, by the way. Okay, we will connect our Phantom wallet over here. It's connected. Latest collection, the upcoming collection to this marketplace. And if you are interested, so let's explore. Over here you can see some interesting NFT collections. Over here, sales your wallet. If you want to list NFT unlisted, you don't have any NFT sorted by different questions you can ask. You can make your favorite collections and you will see if you have any, and then you can buy it from there. So that's it for digital eyes. Of course, you guys can play with it, and you guys will in future. Of course, we will upload some NFTs to this marketplaces, and I will show you how it's work, like how long it will take, what is like the chances. Like we will upload our NFTs to different marketplaces, and let's see on which marketplace there is huge traffic. There is like more chances to sell your own NFT. So next one is alpaart. Alpaart is their connect wallet. So only 3 wallets is supported by alpaart, phantoms. And if you don't know how to make your own wallet, then you should check out my previous video, which is about crypto wallets. And in crypto wallets there is phantom, so you guys can check it out. So with that being said, let's check out new collections, upcoming collections, and you can see how many will be there. So all collections, and what next? Okay, so explore collections. We hit on. So in alpaart, this is quite new, so I guess it's not that much developed, but still worth you know looking at. So I guess that's it for today. And there are some different wallet if you are interested in. Apart from that, I'm working on my own course. If you are interested in development, check out the playlist, Solidity course. And if you want to reach me out, links are in the description and also here. See you in next one. Bye.